In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money in Steam with Google Pay. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Steam and log in. So use either the desktop client or visit the Steam websites and sign in. From here, click onto your username on the top right hand corner of the page and then click onto account details, and another page should appear. This is going to take you inside your account details of your store and purchase history. From here, it will say add funds to your Steam wallet, so you can go ahead and click on add funds. Then from here, choose an amount. So Steam offers preset values from $5 to $100, or depending what region you are, it might be more or less, or you could simply enter a custom amount. Then from here on the right hand side, we can go ahead and select Google Pay. So if your country account supports it, Google Pay will appear among the payment options here on the right. Choose it at checkout. So say for example, I want to get this one here for $50. I want to click on add funds. Then it will take me to the payment method. From here, click on the drop down menu. And now if you're in the correct region or country that offers Google Pay as a payment method, go ahead and click it. From here, verify, confirm Google Pay. Funds will be added instantly to your wallet. Now, if you don't have Google Pay available, there is a workaround for this. So what you can do is go to a trusted gift card site that accepts Google Pay. So do a Google search and then purchase a Steam gift card using Google Pay. After purchase, you'll receive a code. Then from here, you want to go to Steam, click on your username, click on account details, and then click on to add funds to your Steam wallet. From here, redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. And then from here, simply enter the code. Funds will be added to your Steam wallet that way.